Want to design a professional travel agency logo but don't know where to start? In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a clean and modern logo in Canva. No design skills needed. Let's jump right in. CANVOO. The logo we are going to create is a request from @EmperorKazi. Before we begin, for those of you who would also like a logo created, please write your request in the comments section. Now, let's create the logo. First, go to the text menu and select Add a Heading. Type Voyago. Next, change the font style to Galata. Now, delete the letter V. We will replace it with a V that we create ourselves. To do this, go to the Elements. Then select an inverted triangle shape like this. Move it to the far left. Make sure the bottom and right sides are symmetrical with the logo text. To make it easier, we can enlarge the canvas size. If you like this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other cool logo tutorials. Moving on to the next step, duplicate the triangle. Then change the color of this triangle to white. Next, place the triangle as shown in the example. Shrink it and position it like this. Then drag it upward to form a unique V shape behind it. After that, duplicate the white triangle. Then place it here to cover the left side of the V. Make the V look like a checkmark symbol. Once you have done that, change the color of the word Oyago to blue. Change the color of the letter V to dark turquoise. Next, select the circle shape on the element. Then reduce its size. Place it above the text as shown in the example. Next, we can add an airplane icon to the logo, reduce its size, and place it as shown in the example. Next, just change the color to blue. The next step is to add subtitles at the bottom of the logo. Add the text Travel Agency. This is an optional step. If everything looks okay, we can group all the logo elements. And here's the result. That's it for today's tutorial. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What kind of logo should I design next in Canva? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and I might feature them in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.